Okay, I am creating a quick video to show how you use path functions to difference out or slice or remove the text out of the boxes and the boxes out of the other boxes. So this is what we have created so far. And what I'm going to do, these are all still rectangles in text. And I'm going to highlight them all, and you can see down here in the status bar, 7 objects selected of types, rectangle, and text. Now the first thing we have to do is convert all of these to paths, because paths you can use to manipulate from one another and interact that way. So I'm going to go up here to the path menu, and since all of these are objects, I'm going to go object to path. Now what I want to do is, because if I see in the bottom status bar, it says path and group, because it converts text to a group. So I want to ungroup that. Okay, and now all of these items are all separate. So what I'm going to do is attach the text. So I want to go to path, union. And I'm going to take this text as well and go path, union. And lastly, path, union. Okay, so now we have text. And we want to turn all of this yellow into the background, the pink background. We want to delete all of that from all of the black layers so that we have just the one layer to cut out. So what I'm going to do first is take this yellow, this yellow rectangle, okay, and you can see that I have this selected because it's that yellow rectangle. I'm going to hold the Shift key and select that back rectangle. And now you can see I have 2 objects selected. They're both paths. I can go to the path menu and select difference. So what this is going to do is cut the one out of the other. And it deletes that yellow rectangle and just leaves this black one. Okay? Now what I want to do is I'm going to take this black rectangle and attach it to this one. I'm going to go to path, union, because now these 2 rectangles are attached. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, holding Shift, I'm going to select all of this text, and it's 2 paths. I want to make it one path, so I'm going to union them so that I can cut it out of this rectangle right here. So now I'm going to select this text, select this rectangle, again, path, difference, and now we can see we have the text peeking through. So now all we have left is to deal with this box. Now, what I'm going to do is take this back rectangle, the black one, attach it to all of these rectangles, path, union. So now, if I move my yellow box out of the way, we have that rectangle attached. Control Z to undo. So now all I have to do is take this yellow box, select my black again, same thing, 2 paths, path, difference, and now we're almost done. We're just going to take this text, union it to our black boxes. So now, when I select all of these, it is one path. It'll all cut in one layer. And basically what you would do is just weed out your letters and your border boxes kind of there. So I hope this helped and that I went, slow enough that you can figure it out. The main trick is to make sure that you have only 2 items selected and that they are all paths, And then you can manipulate things so that you have just your background peeking through.